Welcome back to the channel. If your Kontiki 2 pool cleaner has stopped moving or is losing suction, chances are the diaphragm needs replacing, and the good news is it's quick and easy fix. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to remove the old diaphragm and install a new one, so you can have a cleaner and you get back to keeping your pool spotless. Welcome to MG Factor. It's powered by a small rubber diaphragm inside. As water flows through, the diaphragm rapidly flexes back and forth, creating a pulsing motion that drives the cleaner forward and scrubs your pool floor. Simple, powerful, and fully automatic. Now before starting, make sure your pool pump is turned off and the cleaner is disconnected from the hose. Twist off the front cover of the Kontiki 2. This will expose the inner tube assembly where the diaphragm is located. Gently pull the tube assembly out from the body. You will find the diaphragm inside. It may be worn, cracked, or completely torn. Slide the old diaphragm out from the internal tube. Some may be tight, so be gentle but firm. Line up the new diaphragm and carefully insert it into the same spot, making sure it sits flush and secure. Now slide the internal assembly back into the body, twist the cover back on and reconnect to the hose. Turn the pump back on and drop the cleaner into the pool. It should now move and clean like new. Now the installation is complete. Let's put it back in water. As you can see here, there is a ripple effect. That means that the cleaner is working and it's scrubbing the surface of the pool, clearing all the debris from the bottom. Thanks for watching. If this video helped get your Kontiki 2 cleaner back in action, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy pool maintenance tips and DIY repair guides. Got questions or want to share your own experience? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your pool clean and clear. And thanks for watching MG Factor.